Hello, this is Vik. In this video I will see adding a lightbox plugins. Previously I have added a few images here on this post. If I am clicking on this images, it's these images are opening. These images are opening like this one. I want to open them in a lightbox. For that purpose I'll install a new plugin, lightbox or fancy box. I'll use this plugin. These are the two plugins, 100,000 plus installs and 300,000 plus installs. The 147 ratings, it's almost 4.5. I'll install it and it's updated 2 weeks ago. You can get more details by clicking on more details button. I'll just activate it. And we can go check the settings from settings. Here it's added. These settings are added under media. Enable fancy box for images, and you can enable any for anything, and these are all the options. I'm not going to discuss much about these settings. You can go through it, and what I'll do is I'll reload this page. I'll click on this image. Now you can see the difference. It's opened in a light box, and here also if I click, it's opening in a light box. This is a gallery images, and this is an individual image. If you click outside this box, this fancy box is disappearing. That's the benefit of using a light box or fancy box. And these are all the options. You can go through it one by one, and you can test it out. Default configuration works for enabling lightbox